Hello everyone, how are you? Fine. Oh, that's so great to hear. Today we will learn an exciting chapter. The name of the chapter is what? Coins and currency. Coins and currency. In this chapter, we will learn about our Indian coins and currency note. So what is this, children? What is this? This is a lady's purse, and the boys who keep their money, that particular thing is called as wallet. Okay, so this is a purse and we keep our money in a purse for some time. Suppose I am going to a market, and here in the market this pen is available which I need. I need a pen and I need to write something. So what I will do, I will go to a shopkeeper and I will ask for the pen. I just took the pen and he said 5 rupees. So I gave him this 5 rupees note. When I gave him, then only he gave me this pen. So we require money to buy things. And one more thing is important, that is to handle money. You are having money, it doesn't mean you will just spend it here and there uselessly. No. Keep it safe for your future. Okay? Just wait a bit. Let me open the door so that light can come easily. Okay, just wait a bit. Now see, it is very much easy to visualize the things. Yes. So what I said, that money is very much important for us to buy the things from anywhere. Today I will show you the notes, coins, okay, so that you can understand the concept of note, coin and currency note. Currency notes and coins. Wait. Yes, got it. Now you see, these are banned these days. Okay, this is what? These are 50 paise. These are what? 50 paise. 50 paise, 50 paise. Remember that 1 rupee means 100 paise. 100 paise means 1 rupee. You know what? Actually nowadays 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise, 50 paise are not in use. Only 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 10 rupees, 5 rupees are used by everyone. Now you see, I am showing you some notes as well. See, you can hear the coin of 10 rupees. Now this is the note of 10 rupees. The value of coin 10 rupees and note 10 rupees are same. It is not that this is the more valuable and this is a less valuable thing. No, the price or the amount of these notes are, this note and this coin is same. Now this is the 100 rupee note. These are 100. This is the color of blue and this is light green. But the value of both are same. This is 500 rupees. Why I am showing you? So that you can understand the Indian money and Indian currency. Okay. So 500 rupees, 100 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupee coin and 5 rupee note. Now I will just keep this thing safe in my bag. You also, whenever you will get money, keep it safe in your piggy bank. When it will be time of need, you can give this to your parent. You can gift anybody. Okay. See, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 2 rupee plus 1 rupee is 3 rupee plus 2 rupee, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, and 50 paise plus 50 paise is 1 rupee. Okay, I hope you are understanding and you are enjoying as well. Yes. Yes. So 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee. 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 500 rupees note, 1000 rupees note. These 1000 rupees notes are not in use. This type of 500 rupees and this type of 1000 rupees are not in use. Right? Now we can add coins and notes to get different amount. Yes, we can add the coins and the note to get different amount. Find the amount. 1 rupee plus 50 paise. So 1 rupee 50 paise. Now the amount 50 paise. This is 2 rupees 50 paise. So 2 rupees 50 paise. 10 rupees plus 5 rupees. 10 plus 5 is 15. Yes, 15 rupees. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 50 paise. 30 rupees 50 paise. 50 rupees plus 20 rupees is what? 70 rupees. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 5, 85. 85 plus 2, 87 plus 1, 88 rupees. So you see, I have written 88 rupees. We write R, this sign or RS for rupees in short. We write only for P for only paise. Write 5 rupees and 50 paise in short. So it looks like this. Rupees 5 and 50 paise. 5 rupees and 55 paise in short, 5.50. Right? Now the exercise. Write the amounts in short with a dot. Actually, when we will write about the paise, we will use a dot. Like this. 10 rupees 50 paise. So 10.50. 20 rupees. Only rupees 20. 15 rupees 75 paise. Rupees 15.75. When we will start to write paise, we will just give a full stop. 75 rupees, no need of writing a dot. 40 rupees 55 paise. So rupees 40.55. Okay. Now you need to write the amount in rupees as well as in paise. Rupees 15.75. So 15 rupees and 75 paise. 20 rupees 105.25. So 105 rupees and 25 paise. 500.35, 500 rupees and 35 paise. 525 and 15.15, 500 rupees and 15 paise. Now we can add the rupees and paise. We need to add this, that how many paise, how many rupees, we need to add this, but there are certain rules of this. We make a different column for rupees and paise. You can see this. I have made written rupees in a separate column and paise in separate column. Then we start with the right side, means from paise side we will add. So the first one was what? First one was 14 rupees 50 paise, 20 rupees 25 paise. So we will add first the paise. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3. So the amount is 34 rupees 75 paise. Now the same way, rupees and paise. 15 rupees 20 paise plus 45 rupees 55 paise. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 5, 6, 7, 7. Now point, 5 plus 5 is 0 means 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 60 rupees 75 paise. Now 18 rupees 50 paise. 114 one. So actually you can say this, that we have or I have written rupees in separate column and paise in separate column. I can't write this in one column. So I have just written it like this. 15 rupees 20 paise plus 45 rupees 55 paise. So if we join together, how I will add it? First we will start with paise. Okay, so 5 plus 0 is 5 and 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 5 is 10, and we have learned in addition that if more than if we get 10 or 11, 1 will be carried. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 means 1 0. So 1 will be carried over here. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 6. So the answer is 60 rupees 75 paise. 60 rupees 75 paise. 18 rupees 15 paise. 124 rupees 35 paise. So if we added 5 plus 5 is 0, means 10. 10. So 0 I have written, 1 will be carried over here. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 5. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 2, 1 carried. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus here 1 will remain as 1. So the answer will be 142 rupees and 50 paise. Clear? 115 rupees and 45 paise and 85 rupees 35 paise. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 0, 1 will be carried. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 0, 1 will be carried. So 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1 10. 0 and 1 will be carried over here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 200 rupees 80 paise. Here also same, 237 rupees 18 paise, 168 rupees 47 paise. So the answer is 405 rupees and 65 paise. One more thing I forgot to tell you, that when I will write this, I will give a dot before paise. 60 rupees, then we will put a mark or put a dot, then we will write the paise. So 60 rupees and 75 paise. So how I will write in short form this one? I will write it like this, rupees 60.75. Do not forget this. Here also same, 142 rupees 50 paise. How we will write in short form? Rupees 142.50. Okay, here also rupees 200.80. Clear everybody? Now subtract the amount. So far we have understood the addition, and now we need to subtract the amount. So for this also we have to write, or we have to do separate column for rupees and paise. You see, I have done so far. 75 rupees 95 paise, 15 rupees 45 paise. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is, wait a bit, just, yes, 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 60 rupees 50 paise. Yes, for as I was saying that when I need to subtract this, I will use the same pattern, like rupees and paise will be written in separate columns. Okay, so as you can see, 75 paise and 75 rupees and 95 paise is written, and in down part it is written 15 rupees 45 paise. So Let's subtract it. So 5 minus 5 is 0, and if we subtract 4 from 9, if we subtract 4 from 9, so 5 will be left, 1 point will be there. So this one will be shows that this side will be counted as rupees and that side will be counted as paise. So 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 1 is 6. So 60 rupees 50 paise. How I can write it in short way? 60.50. So rupees sign I can write like either this type or RS 60.50. Clear? Now the next thing. 125 rupees 75 paise, 50 rupees 25 paise. So I need to subtract 50 rupees 25 paise from 120 rupees 75 paise. So answer comes as 75 rupees and 50 paise. So you see I have written like this, 75 rupees and 50 paise. How can I write it in short? Rupees 75.50. Now the next one, that is 235 rupees 75 paise and 145 rupees 25 paise. So if I want to subtract 145 rupees 25 paise from 235 rupees 75 paise, so I will get 90 rupees and 50 paise. How I can write it in short form? Tell me children. Yes, that's very nice answering. Rupees 90.50. Clear? Now 335 rupees 70 paise and I need to subtract this money, 145 rupees 45 paise. So I will get the sum of rupees 190 and 25 paise. So I have written like the same way, 190 rupees 25 paise. How can I write it in short? Rupees 190.25. Clear? Now who has spent more? So here bigger and smaller amount. Suppose, just for instance, I am showing you something. Just give me 2 seconds. This one, tell me the value of this note. Tell me children. Yes, very good. Yes, very nice. So this is a 500 rupees note. So this is what? 500 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note, another 100 rupees note, 5 rupee note and 10 rupee note. So this is A and this one is B. So student A has spent 500 rupees. This is student A, this is student B. So she has spent 500 rupees in buying a beautiful bag. Student B has spent 100 rupees in bag, 100 rupees in colors, 10 rupees in pen, 5 rupees in pencil. So she has spent 500 rupees and student B has spent 100 plus 100 is 200, 210, 215 means 200, 10 plus 5 is 15, 215. So tell me children, who has spent more, student A or student B? Tell me. Very nice answering. Student A has spent more. Why? Because we know it very well that 500 is greater, 500 rupees 500 is greater than rupees 215. The value of 500 is bigger than 215. So A has spent more. Understood children? A has spent more than B. Clear? Now, if I change the thing, suppose student A has spent 100 rupees in books, 5 rupees in pencil. Student B has spent 10 rupees in buying some stickers and 100 rupees is spent on buying some chocolates. Who has spent more? So, we will just do what? A has spent how much rupees? 100 and plus 5. So, 100 plus 5 is 105 and B has spent 100 plus 10. So, B is 100 plus 10. So, 110. So, I can write it as 110, 105. So, which one is bigger? We know it is very much obvious that 110 is bigger amount. Then 110 is bigger amount than 105. So, student B has spent more here. Now, here also in your book, the same type of sums are there. Who has spent more? So, we will do it together. Let us start it without wasting our time. Let us start. So, tell me children, are you enjoying the recorded class? Just let me know that. Okay. Now you see bigger and smaller amounts. Who has spent more? Reena, doll. One doll she has bought of 85 rupees. One pencil she has bought of 3 rupees. One eraser. Total rupees is 89 rupees. Total she spent 89 rupees. Zeenat has spent a toy car. She has bought what? She has bought 120 rupees. She has just purchased a toy car of 120 rupees. A pencil she has purchased of 3 rupees. And one ball pen she has purchased of 6 rupees. She has spent how much rupees? She spent total rupees of 129. So, Reena has spent 89 rupees, 89, and Zeenat, she has spent 129 rupees. So, 89 dash 129. Tell me the crocodile will eat which one, 89 or 129? Yes, you are very smart enough. The crocodile will eat this one, means this 129. 129 is bigger amount than 89. Okay, like this way only you need to solve the exercise. Like Dolly has spent 20 rupees in purchasing notebook. One sketch pen she has purchased of 9 rupees and 2 pencils of 6 rupees. Total amount is 35 rupees and Anuj has bought one art book of 30 rupees, crayons of 10 rupees and eraser of 1 rupees. Total rupees is 41. So, it is very obvious that 35 is lesser than 41. So, Anuj has spent more. Clear everybody? Clear? So, just for your reminder, I am just giving a quick revision of this chapter, the money. So, I can write the amount in short, how? 10 rupees 50 paise, rupees 10.50. Point is very much important before writing the paise. Okay. And this is the short, means the bigger form. Okay. So, 15.75, how I will write it? 15 rupees 75 paise, 105 rupees and 25 paise. We made, and when we will add the two amounts, we will make columns of rupees and paise. We will write the amount in separate columns, rupees in rupees column, paise in paise column. Okay, then we add the right from, we will start adding from right side and we will proceed to the left. So, 35.75, the answer will be as 35 rupees 75 paise. Okay, now this is the same way. We will do it, addition and subtraction, and spending more. We will just add the thing, the money we will add, and we will see who has spent more. Clear everybody? I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.